Are you annoyed by videos that automatically play while browsing apps in the App Store? Besides being irritating, they can also consume your mobile data. Luckily, there's an easy way to turn them off. In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly and easily disable autoplay for videos in the App Store. First, open the settings on your phone. Once you're in the settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see a section called Apps. Tap on it. In the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the installed apps on your phone. Find the App Store app and tap on it. Once you're on the App Store settings page, scroll down and find the autoplay section. When you find it, tap on it. Now, in this section, you'll see three options: enabled, Wi-Fi only, and disabled. To turn off autoplay for videos, select disabled. The changes will be automatically saved, and from now on, you won't have to worry about unwanted video playback in the App Store. And that's all for this video, friends. I hope it was helpful and that you've successfully disabled video playback in the App Store. If it was, just leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, MobiTechStar, for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.